Good day, everybody out there in collision repair land. Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. With me is my amazing assistant, Duke. Sadney, get ready. Okay, we're going to be doing some things. Yes, you're so good. Amazing dog. Folks, I just want to show you this. This is a GYS welder, and out of all the companies that build welders, in my opinion, GYS is the best. They really are. We've been doing this now for 47 years, selling collision equipment, collision repair equipment. So this is like, we've had a lot of experience with different brands, and GYS is truly top of the line. This is a nice 2-torch welder. It's 3-phase. It packs a whopping 240 amps of welding power. It's in excellent condition. It's got new torches, new tips, new nozzles, brand new aluminum wire still in the wrapper with its storage container, brand new silicon bronze. So this does silicon bronze and aluminum, meets above all the OEM requirements, ready to go. $995. I think out of the 34 welders and aluminum repair stations we have refurbished, this is probably the best value. If you don't have a silicon bronze and aluminum welder, now's the time. Money's no longer the excuse. Call the 800 number.